Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Five Below, and I want to look a few places I forgot to look the last time I was here for the fake Labubus. So apparently fake Labubus are called Lafufus. So I'm looking for Lafufus, and if I don't find them, I'm going to put what they look like at the end of this video because some of you may not know what I'm talking about. But they're not like trying so hard to be Labubus to where they actually look so much like them. They look similar. And I just want one for my purse, and it's probably going to be $5, so why not? But here they have like a little back to school section. They have cute highlighters, pens, notebooks, pencils, scented markers, and scented glue. And they have so much slime. These pens are really cute. Sometimes I feel like my Five Below has stuff everywhere, so you don't even know like where to begin to look for certain things, because it's not like they have everything in the right place. So yeah, you just have to basically look everywhere. But there is a section that I'm going to show you guys, and it has a bunch of keychains. And I thought maybe the Lafufus will be there because they do come with like a clasp that you can put it on your purse or a backpack. So I thought, well, maybe it's over by the keychains. So basically I'm making my way over to the keychains. And it's right down here. So they have this section first. They have all kinds of stuffed animals. And then they have this area that has all these clips. This was the area I haven't checked yet for the Lafufus. So that's what I'm doing in this area. They have so many cute keychains though. But I'm not seeing the Lafufu Labubu. They even have like these magnets that are squishy. So I don't see them, but I'm gonna check the back of the store too, like the electronics section maybe. Who knows, like they have t-shirts like all over the store, so they probably have Lafufus all over the store too. And I forget that you can actually order online. Five Below does have a website, so I could just order it and be done with it. Or I could look into getting a real one, but I did look like last week and they were sold out. But I should probably check my mall, because I've heard that like random places at the mall are starting to sell Labubus because they're so popular. Somebody even found one at a 7-Eleven. So I see a super cute Rainbow Bright pillow over here. I saw the strawberry shortcake one last time, but this one's really cute. She was popular in the 80s, y'all. She was like a little superhero, I guess. Look how cute these are. You can hold a picture and then like you could put your pencils in that little circular section, or you could put a flower in there. That's so cute. And they have all these like LED light ups. So here are the fake Labubus. They're called Lababies. This one looks the most like them because he has the teeth. Then they have this one. And then they have a pink one. And then they have this purple one. And they're all just $5, and you can get them online at fivebelow.com.